Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Do you owe a substantial amount of current or back taxes? In this video, I'll share tax relief company marketing hype, IRS and state hardship programs. Do you qualify for a hardship program? FTC tax relief company complaints and IRS hardship program self-help. The internet, television, and radio are flooded with ads by companies promising to settle past tax debt for a fraction of the amount owed, and to stop IRS levies, seizures, and wage garnishments. These tax relief companies do not provide these services for free. Since some people needing these services are high risk, some companies demand their fee in advance. Their high fees is one reason they only take clients owing $10,000 or more. Tax relief companies claim they will reduce or eliminate your federal tax debt by applying for an IRS hardship program. But that only applies to any federal tax liability. People owing a substantial amount of federal income tax may also owe state income tax. There are only 7 states with no income tax. Eligibility for state income tax relief varies by state. Reducing your federal income tax debt does not guarantee you will reduce your state income tax. Tax relief companies imply anyone owing $10,000 or more qualifies for their service. That may be true, but it's no guarantee you'll meet the IRS's requirements for a hardship program. In fact, according to the Federal Trade Commission, most taxpayers do not qualify for an IRS hardship program. Beware of tax relief companies demanding a high upfront fee to evaluate your eligibility. Life, in general, can be very stressful. Owing taxes you cannot pay is stressful enough. Paying a company thousands of dollars to find out they cannot reduce your taxes only increases stress. Then there are tax relief companies that continue to charge your credit card for additional fees or debit your bank account. Why pay a tax relief company to fill out and file forms you can do for free? The IRS has several hardship programs. For example, you owe current year taxes and cannot pay the balance in full. Consider filing Form 9465 for an installment agreement request. In some cases, the IRS cannot deny a request for an installment agreement if you owe less than $10,000. You should pay as much of what you owe when you file your return. Filing Form 9465 does not stop interest charges or late payment penalties. By establishing an installment payment, you can avoid a notice of federal tax lien or an IRS levy. Both can significantly reduce your credit score. The second scenario is owing back taxes. If you owe back taxes, you may qualify for the IRS's Fresh Start Initiative or other tax relief program. Again, an installment agreement is available to most taxpayers who cannot pay the full amount. A streamlined installment agreement is available if you owe $50,000 or less. The maximum repayment term is 5 to 6 years. Like many states, the IRS also has an offer in compromise. An IOC lets a taxpayer settle their tax debt for less than the amount owed. An IOC is available only after other tax options have been exhausted. Unlike the happy taxpayers in the tax relief company ads that claim to have settled for a fraction of what they owed, The IRS will reject an IOC if they believe the taxpayer can pay the full amount in a lump sum or installments. Before hiring a tax relief company, use the IRS's online OIC pre-qualifier. Beware if the tool says you do not qualify and a tax relief company guarantees you do qualify if you pay an upfront fee. You do not need a third party to apply for an installment agreement, OIC, or penalty or interest abatement. If you prefer being represented by a third party, there are enrolled agents, CPAs, and attorneys authorized to do so. Most reputable tax relief companies do not advertise for clients using TV and social media ads. Every situation is different, but if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.